Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 14, 2026 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong August 14, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral mabasan para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, August 14, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 14, 2026, Friday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, August 14, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of August 14, 2026, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.